This is Sangster International Airport.
Two Tower, good afternoon. Continue approach runway 07.
The approacher, Canada 922.
Tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 17 knots.
07 Air Canada 922.
Sunway runway 07 at Delta.
Turn up onward, 600 Charlie. At Delta.
The 982 arrived at time 04, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Over Canada 922, thank you, talk to you later.
Clear to take off runway 07 at Delta, and immediate right turn when able, please.
Take off 600 Charlie, immediate right turn, 600 Charlie.
Can 1337, wind at station 070 degrees 17 knots, clear to land runway 07. One 337 arrived 06, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Bravo, ground 1217, American 1337. We're here on Alpha, taxiing to Holden Point, runway 07.
2963, roger, hold short, runway 07, you're number 1 to company traffic in the holding bay.
We'll hold short of runway 07, number 1, American 2963, thanks.
Taxiway Bravo, contact ground 12.7 clear.
Catching it Bravo 127, so that's just 137.
Then 2613, arrive 35, vacate via taxiway Bravo. Contact ground 121.7 when clear.
Via Bravo 121.7, American 2615.
American 2963, wind is 060 degrees at 13 knots, cleared immediate takeoff, runway 07, company traffic approaching 6 mile final.
Runway 07, clear for takeoff, American 2963.
American 682, thanks to tower.
Yeah, I do need to return to the gates. We've talked to operations there, waiting for the airport to give us a gate to return to. Do you want us to stay with you or switch to ground?
10682, roger. Switch to ground, 121.7, advise them.
We will, thank you for your patience.
American 975, wind is 060 degrees at 13 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Clear to land 07, American 975.
11, contact thanks to radar 128.35, have a great flight.
8.35, American 2963, have a great afternoon.
Sir? American 975, arrived 39er, vacate via taxiway Alpha. When clear, contact ground 121.7.
121.7, American 975.
American 875, roger. Wind is 070 degrees at 15 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
And 07, American 875.
American 875, arrive 48, vacate via taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7 when clear.
75, right on Alpha, contact ground, American 875.
Or Delta 1928, approaching holding point 7, ready for takeoff.
So 1928, thanks to tower, hold short runway 07. And you're number 1 to the American in the holding bay.
Short runway 7, Delta 1928, number 1.
Sunwing 7220, wind is 070 degrees at 14 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Land runway 07, Sunwing 7220.
Short final runway 07, line up behind and wait.
Alright, behind the landing aircraft, line up and wait, runway 7, Delta 1928.
For your patience, we had some aircraft backtracking using the runway, so we decided to bring the Sunwing in first.
No worries. We're here all the time. It's all good. Delta 1928, but thank you.
Roger.
Sir, good afternoon. JetBlue 1327 with you on final for runway 7.
1327, thanks to tower. Reduce to the minimum approach speed runway 07. Report done it.
Okay, slow to back slow and then report done it for JetBlue 1327.
Minimum approach speed.
JetBlue 137.
7220, arrive 59er, vacate via taxiway Bravo. Contact ground 121.71 clear, and thanks for the circle.
Exit on Bravo, contact ground, no problem. Runway 7220.
19er 28, wind is 070 degrees at 12 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear for takeoff, Delta 1928.
Tower JetBlue 1327, overdone it.
JetBlue 1327, Sangsters Tower, roger. Wind is 070 degrees at 11 knots, runway 07, clear to land.
Runway 07 for JetBlue 1327.
One 28 airborne 01, contact transfer radar 128.35. Have a great flight.
2835 Delta 1928, good day.
Third tower, confirm ready for departure.
Airlines 270.
Great Wings 270, behind the landing, JetBlue Airbus 320 short, final line up behind and wait, runway 07.
For the landing traffic, will line up and wait behind Spirit Wing 270.
JetBlue 1327, arrive 2003, vacate via taxiway Alpha. Vacate via taxiway Alpha and contact ground 121.7 when clear.
8 Alpha and over to ground for JetBlue 1327.
Wings 270, wind is 070 degrees at 13 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, Spirit Wing 270.
United 1160, Sangsters Tower, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait 07, you had 1160.
1160, reclear direct EPSIM after departure. Line up and wait. 906, arrange flight to vacate via taxiway Alpha.
You said you want us to get Alpha for Southwest 906.
906, affirm. Taxiway Alpha after landing. 06, wind 070 degrees at 17 knots. Clear to land runway 07.
Land 07, Southwest 906.
Wings 270, airborne 06. Contact thanks to radar 128.35.
28.35, Spirit Wing 270, good day. Ground, back to 29.